Well, we are on the Great Ocean Road. We are supposed to be in Tumby Bay in South Australia, but Percy's in the shop being fixed, so hopefully that will happen soon. But we thought we'd just take the opportunity and visit a couple of waterfalls. So here we are in Anglesey, or just out of Anglesey, so let's see what happens. We've just pulled up to Sheoak Falls. As you can see, the Great Ocean Road is just over there, and we're about to head off on the walk, and goodness me, it looks like it's all uphill. Let's see how we go. Snakes. Ah! You go first.
Thanks very much.
You can be the sacrificial lamb. The Sheoak Falls cascade into a deep pool of water bordered on either side by steep rocky walls. Further upstream from the falls you can discover Swallow Cave. The birds that nest there are actually tree martins, which collect and use mud from the nearby creek to build their nests amid the rocks. Pulled into the Phantom Falls car park. There's a number of trails around here. We're not sure which one is which, but we're going to follow the one that says Phantom Falls because it's the shortest.
Yes.
Oh, this is beautiful. Surrounded by ferns, big gum trees, and we're like 5 seconds into the walk. So yeah, it's beautiful. Phantom Falls is only 10 minutes from the city of Lorne in the Otway National Park. The trail crosses over the St George River and skirts around the edge of a private orchard. It's only a 90-minute return walk covering 3.5 kilometres. For more experienced hikers though, take the strenuous walk to Coralline Cascades or continue on to the canyon and Sheoak picnic area. The beginning of that track is located at the top of Phantom Falls. Well, looks like we're halfway there. It's just beautiful. Really ferny, beautiful little babbling creek. Birds, wow, definitely worth the effort. Well, I struggled to get up that hill. It was really steep, but Rick promised me it was worth the view. I'm not so sure, but it is pretty good. Check this out. Well, I think we're just about here. The canyon walk is a grade 4 walk, so if you're fit and up to grade 4 walks, then that's the route for you. We will be taking the route back to Allenvale where the car's parked, because we are not young or fit. But yeah, here we are. So both, these walks are a grade 3. Unfortunately not for those in a wheelchair. There's a few steep bits, but if you are down this way, neither of these falls are far from Lorne on the Great Ocean Road. Easy access by 2-wheel drive, and absolutely worth the effort. As you can see, it's just amazing. So glad we came down here today.
Oh, there we go. About 20 minutes away from Sheoak Falls is Phantom Falls. So we came, we saw, we conquered, sort of. Well worth the walk. Couple of steep bits here and there. You can get right to the top of the falls and look over. Sorry, there's probably not going to be any footage of that because someone messed up the camera. Don't know who that would be. But anyway,
it's a pattern. It's a pattern.
It could be a pattern. Yes, there could be a pattern. But anyway, well worth the look. You can get right down to the bottom of the falls. Beautiful, peaceful little hole down the bottom, and that's about it. So a bit of lunch for us, and then we're off on another adventure.
So we've just pulled into Apollo Bay to grab a coffee if we can find anything open, and then we're going to make the trip home. So thank you for watching, and we will see you on our next adventure.